world of the 21st century. Okay, so it's a tall order, and so this is the kind of thing that we work on as a UNESCO institute, and I'm happy to be here to kickstart this process of what I think will be a very fruitful collaboration between UNESCO and GIP and NIT Calicut, going ahead. So I bring you greetings, very warm greetings from UNESCO Mahatma Gandhi Institute and my team, and they're looking forward to following up on what comes out of. We're now hearing, because of this pressure, there are cases of suicide. A student goes to class, he's overburdened. He wants to, there's a lot of exams, and pressure by parents. We parents as well. You want your kids to do well, okay, to be on top of the class. And when this doesn't happen, there is, some mental and emotional health issues involved. So the essence of education is not just there's so much pressure on standards for examinations, for grading, who comes first and who comes, last, and all. The first thing that the baby learns in life are from the people around him or her, from mama, from dada, and then, from siblings and, other. That is a very simple, this. So what do you teach a kid? As the first teachers, before she goes to kindergarten, the very first time he or she encounters teachers. So this is the way to think about it, and so we're all teachers, and this goes to what I was trying to explain about lifelong learning. And parents remain teachers, until such a time that the kids grow up and become independent. The same thing goes for community leaders. So patriotism, okay, there's nothing bad about it. But we have to be very careful that we are teaching the right thing. Okay, the quote again by Nelson Mandela that education is the most important tool we can use to change the world. People say, but what type of education? If you are teaching young people the wrong thing, if you are teaching them hatred, okay, and teaching them, all the bad doctrines, then that's not education. That's actually trying to indoctrinate them, about. So we have a long way.